Tony B and Me vlog part 1. So we are in the Big Thunder Ranch with family. All this will be starting construction on starting tomorrow. We wave goodbye. The barbecue way over there. Kind of sad, huh? The goats, though. The goats. Totes some goats right over there.
The top one is not real.
It's real. The top one. It's look at it's moving.
Why would you think it's not real?
Because it's just standing there.
These goats do that.
I don't know.
Yeah, have you ever seen videos where they
You don't have them.
Oh, you scare them and like,
Okay,
they won't kill me this way if I jump down on the ground and die. So, all this, guys, is gonna be gone starting tomorrow. Construction. Actually, kind of looks like Tatooine already if you really think about it, except for the trees. They'll probably just take down the trees or something. But this is all going to be part of Star Wars land.
I don't like animals. I like goat cheese. I don't like goat cheese. I like blue cheese.
So let's start walking away and saying goodbye to this beautiful. I know the country cabin's gonna be gone. Burro! Closer to the burros over here. That one's actually kind of. Oh, don't knock it over. Sure did a vlog here already before, but it's just kind of sad. This is actually the last day this is gonna be here. So, muchos sads, muchos teardrops.
Some of the employees that have land are taking the animals.
No, they're donating the animals back to the same people that got the animals from in the first place.
What if the animals have been here for a really long time?
The same company still exists. The same company still exists.
They mistreat them.
And then no more of that jamboree area back there. No more cabin. All of this will be gone. Construction starts tomorrow. I can't wash my hands here anymore. When I wanted to wash my hands.
Bye, folks. Have a great
You
day.
too. Thank you. So let's
Take a picture of the faucet.
look at that one more time. Legendary faucets. Big Thunder Ranch. Bye, Big Thunder. Bye, Big Thunder Ranch barbecue. As we walk on the next phase, let's get on a boat. Let's do it. Taking it on the boat. So we'll see part 2 coming up right now.